Milcris. Milcris aims to be the preferred quantity surveying and cost consultancy service provider in the region. The start of every construction project, whether it's an industrial complex, a high-rise apartment block, an airport, seaport, or a new township, can benefit immensely from a Milcris cost consultant. Our highly trained, qualified and experienced professionals bring special skills to evaluate construction contracts and costs and provide an essential link between the client, design engineer and the building contractor. Our portfolio of cost management services include optimum procurement strategies which enable the client to achieve value for money, risk assessment, risk management, and innovative value engineering techniques to manage costs within budget. We also conduct contract administration from conception to completion, analyze performance data, identify opportunities, and formulate successful strategies which ensure client satisfaction. Milcris draws on its resources, 70 multicultural quantity surveying and cost consultant professionals, whose universal skills with every construction discipline and environment ensure quality and strict cost control. Milcris has also been recognized by the prestigious Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors and upholds the traditions and standards of this noble profession. Our chartered professionals have worked on landmark international projects: London, Manchester, Barcelona, Athens, Dubai, and Abu Dhabi. Currently, from our regional head office in Muscat in Oman, Milcris manages the cost consultancy for 2 multi-billion US dollar state-of-the-art international airports at Muscat and Salalah, valued at over $4.5 billion US dollars. Our projects include Business Bay Towers, the new campus for Doha University, the Supreme Court at Al Ghubra, and a commercial and residential complex in Salalah and Muscat, with project values exceeding $5 billion US dollars. Milcris is headed and guided by its chairman, His Highness Sayyid Shihab bin Tariq Al Said, and Milan de Silva, the Chief Executive Officer. Guided by a singular vision, Milcris is dedicated to the commercial and contract management of construction projects and delivering value for money to our clients in accordance with acceptable international quality levels. Our quality management system, which is compliant with ISO 9001-2008, facilitates uniformity and efficiency by benchmarking and standardizing quality throughout the company. Never before has it been so important for clients, cost consultants, design engineers, and building contractors to develop deep and strategic relationships with each other. As contract managers and cost consultants, Milcris's role has become highly salient to the construction industry in today's cost-sensitive environment. Sharing knowledge, goals, and insights, and providing a quality-assured cost consultancy is the foundation for building trust and a relationship. Milcris builds with clients. We build relationships beyond measure.